In this video, I'm going to show you the new overclock setting inside the Nvidia app. So the Nvidia app just got a huge update and you can now use the new overclock setting, which will boost your FPS inside your games if you have an Nvidia GPU, of course. And Nvidia states it comes with zero risk, okay? So you can do this, of course, at your own risk, but they state it's completely safe and with one click only. So what you want to do is download the Nvidia app, and you can find the Nvidia app by simply go to Google and typing in Nvidia app, and as you can see, the first thing that pops up, it says Nvidia, download Nvidia app for gamers and creators, and it's from nvidia.com. Once you click on the website, you want to press download beta, and it will download the Nvidia app for you. Then just open this up and it will install automatically, okay? Then what you want to do is once you've installed this successfully, you want to open up the app and press on system here on the left. And then inside here, you want to press performance up here. And then inside performance, you want to press where it says automatic tuning. It says automatic tuner, which finds the best overclock settings for your GPU and maintains that performance on a regular basis. And if I click the info here, it says it's performed on a monthly basis when your system is idle to maintain optimal performance. What you want to do is simply press over here so it turns on, and that's literally it. It will automatically kind of boost your CPU or your GPU, and it will kind of automatically tune and overclock, so it will boost your FPS in different games. And that's how you do it, and I hope this video helped you out.